It's the battle of the mascaras. So L'Oreal last year came out with this Bambi. Now they're coming out with oversized Bambi. So we're gonna play with Bambi 1 and new version of Bambi. So, wide open eyes is how they advertised this Bambi. So now they're doing oversized. But when you look at them, it's pretty much, they've changed how the brushes look. So original brush. So I'm wondering, I think like the one brush, the one mascara from L'Oreal, I wonder, and I have like my Disney going on here. What's the one where they have the, hold on, the mascara brush that bends. So I think what they're doing is, see this brush is the unlimited brush that bends. I think that's what they're doing, is they're moving it over to Bambi oversized. So I wonder if they're retiring unlimited, because if you look, see that brush? Is that not the same brush? I'm wondering. But anyway, we're going to test this one out. So we're going to put this one. If I try to assign it to an eye, I'm going to put it on the wrong eye. I know it. So let's open original Bambi. And this is one I bought. This is not one I was sent. So I guess we're going to go with this eye because I just want to automatically do this eye. That's a lot of... Maybe I should have done a lighter eye look. Definitely lifts the lashes. Okay, now that we've gotten really up close and personal. Original Bambi. New Bambi. Hey guys, which one do you like better? I mean, reminder to self, don't do a dark eye look when you do this. They kind of look the same. I mean, it. I'm not seeing anything, babies. Maybe a little. Maybe a little. This one separates a little better than this one. There's not too much difference. Well, give me your thoughts, guys, because I can't tell. This has got a little bit more lift. Just a little. Old Bambi, new Bambi. Check them out, guys. I really can't give you an opinion. Now I got 2 mascaras I gotta use up. Ah!